In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up deep linking for more targeted promotions. Whether you're looking to increase your conversions or create a more tailored experience for your audience, deep linking can help you achieve both. Stick around because I'm going to show you how to implement this technique step by step in just a few minutes. Plus, I've got a special offer for you at the end, so stay tuned. So, let's dive right in. To set up deep linking for more targeted promotions, first you need to understand what deep linking is. Essentially, deep linking allows you to link directly to specific content or pages within an app, rather than just the homepage or generic URLs. It's especially useful for targeting specific segments of your audience and guiding them to exactly what they're looking for. Now, let's look at how to do this. Step 1 is choosing the right software. There are a lot of options out there, but for this tutorial, we'll be using software that integrates well with deep linking. I'll walk you through how to set it up. If you want to follow along, I've linked a free trial to the software in the description below, exclusive to viewers of my channel. Now let's get started with the setup process. First, log into the software and locate the deep linking section. Typically, this can be found under the Links or Promotions tab in your dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to create a new deep link. This is where the magic happens. You'll choose the specific URL you want your users to land on. Whether it's a product page, a special promotion, or a specific article, you can link directly to it. Next, customize your deep link by adding any necessary parameters. This is where you can get really specific about who you're targeting. For example, you can append UTM parameters to track where your clicks are coming from, what promotions are driving traffic, or even which segments of your audience are clicking. This allows you to tailor your promotions to your audience's behavior and interests. Now let's move on to implementing your deep link. After generating the link, copy it and use it in your promotional materials. You can add it to your email campaigns, social media posts, or even use it in ads. The goal here is to make sure you're sending your audience directly to the content that will resonate with them the most. But what if you're using a mobile app for your promotions? Don't worry, deep linking works for both web and mobile platforms. For mobile apps, you'll need to create an app link or universal link, depending on whether you're working with Android or iOS. Once your deep link is set up, make sure to test it. You want to ensure that users are being taken directly to the right page with no errors. Now that you've set up your deep link, it's time to track its performance. This is crucial for understanding how your promotions are performing and refining your strategy. Keep an eye on your conversion rates and pay attention to how users are engaging with the specific pages you've linked to. This insight will help you optimize your campaigns going forward. So, what's the key takeaway? Setting up deep linking for more targeted promotions can drastically improve the user experience and boost conversions by guiding your audience exactly where you want them to go. Whether it's for web or mobile apps, the process involves creating a tailored link, tracking its performance, and continuously optimizing it based on the data you collect. To wrap up, remember the steps. First, choose the right software. Then, create and customize your deep links. Implement them in your campaigns and track their performance for the best results. And don't forget, you can grab an exclusive free trial for the software we used in this video through the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.